The purpose of this analysis is to identify if there is an association between timely and effective care measures and if associations exist between counties and states. For reference, the measures include the following: ED1B, which is the average time in minutes patients spent in the emergency department before they were admitted to the hospital as an inpatient. OP18B is the average median time patients spent in the emergency department before leaving from the visit. OP22 is the percentage of patients who left the emergency department before being seen. For all of these measures, a lower value is desired. For the data visualization, it is recommended that you enter full screen mode by clicking the icon in the lower right corner. The upper left table of the dashboard shows the average of each measure for each state. The upper right table shows the average of each measure broken down by each hospital ownership status. The overall average of each measure is shown in the table on the lower left. Finally, the data for each county that has complete data is presented in the geospatial map on the lower right. Using this dashboard, we can filter data to a selected state. For this example, we will break this down further by selecting ED1B from the table in the lower left. We will also select Colorado from the upper left table by scrolling down and selecting Colorado with your mouse. The table in the upper right and the map will now display the ED1B data for Colorado counties. The county with the highest average time in minutes patients spent in the emergency department before they were admitted to the hospital as an inpatient is Pueblo County, located in central Colorado. The county with the lowest average is Yuma County, located in west central Colorado. We can also see that the government hospital district or authority has the lowest average, while the voluntary nonprofit church has the highest average. The use of this dashboard can reveal trends in health outcome measures that reveal differences in certain counties and hospital ownership types.